So if you're having trouble with our water heater and the lights don't light up, then there could be a couple issues. One is go to the electrical panel, and it's here. Oh, here we go. It's here behind this seahorse, all right? So we're gonna take that off the wall and check for the breakers. I've checked the breakers. There are 3 40 amp breakers here, 1, 2, 3, that run the water heater. And they are all in the on position. So these, let's have a look at the water heater real quick. It's in the kitchen. Okay, the Echo Smart, it might be backwards for you, I don't know. And right here, when you turn the water on, there's a display that should light up. And then if you push this, that's off and on. So inside this box is a fuse that has blown, and I'm going to show you how to replace that. First, we're going to locate the 3 40 amp breakers that are labeled water heater. So let's shut all 3 of these off to prevent any electrical surprises. On the top are 2 screws, one here, one over there, and we're going to remove those, and this cover should come off. Let me look on the bottom real quick. There's 2 screws on the bottom as well. Okay, one, and then the other one's over there. I am also removing the, I'm not sure what this is called. So just pull it straight out, okay, and that definitely disconnects any power from the unit. Okay, I've got all 3 of them pulled out. Using the Phillips screwdriver, I have these 4 screws removed. And now to get the cover off, we're gonna, let's see. Sometimes you have to pull this knob off, but it looks like it's gonna come off without, nope. Gotta pull that knob straight off, okay? Now that cover should come right off. Sweet. Okay, there it is. Next, you will need to remove the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that hold this cover on. I've already removed the screws. So, and then just pull that cover off, and inside, inside is a fuse. So right here, where is it? Right there. You can see that fuse in the back, okay? We're gonna remove that fuse, and actually I've already bought a replacement because this isn't my first time. So I went down to, I believe, Home Depot. I bought this package of fuses, and it seemed to work. Here is a shot of the original fuse that came in the water heater. I just kept it for reference. And so we're gonna pull that fuse out. You might have to use some kind of a tool or something to get it out, and then pop a new one in. I've got the new fuse replaced, so now I am going to put the covers back on and get the electrical turned on. And we'll see if that display lights up when we get hot water. Cover and fuse it. These disconnects, the cover and these disconnects have all been reinstalled. Now we're going to go turn the breakers back on. 1, 2, 3. This is my air conditioner. Okay, now we're going to go see if it works. So really, when we turn on the hot water, that should light up. And look, it lit up. So that worked. End of story. Okay, there you go.